Okay, are we on? This on? So, I was kicked out of Harbor Freight. Or more precisely, I was asked to stop filming or I would need to leave the store. So a little bit of backstory. I decided I wanted to get some video footage. I wanted to do a video on 10 items from Harbor Freight under $20 that were useful in any shop. Also wanted to use some footage for some comparisons of some of those items to the same items purchased from Temu and some of them matching up with items purchased from Amazon Haul. And went in the first things first. When I got there, I wanted to get a photo of me and the store manager in front of the store with the Harbor Freight name in the background. Went inside and asked to speak with the manager. The person in charge, I don't think he was a manager, but he came up to me. I asked him about going outside for a photo. He declined politely. He said it was against their store policy. So I went ahead and went out and got the photo that I was wanting to use. So I went inside the store and got a buggy, started walking around looking for items, doing some recording, different clips of finding different items that I wanted to include in the video and putting them in my cart. And then I decided I wanted some items to be surprises. So I stopped videoing, got another 2 or 3 items, started to video record again for another item on a shelf, and that same employee approached me, told me that it was against their store policy to allow any filming inside the store, that I would need to either stop the filming or I'd be asked to leave the store. Now, it was all done very politely, cordially, non-confrontational, but I wasn't about to risk being banned from my local Harbor Freight. There are too many opportunities for videos dealing with the store. So I did what they asked. I stopped the video recording. Didn't do any more. And that was that. I didn't have any other issues. I paid for my items, left the store. And my ability to shop at Harbor Freight is still intact. I think that's the best thing that came out of this. So I did get enough footage, I think, to be able to do the other 2 videos that I wanted to do, or 3 videos that I wanted to do from that footage. But yeah, I think I'm going to call a couple of the other Harbor Freights that are a little bit farther away, but are still fairly local to me, and ask them about the policies and procedures and if that would be allowed at their store. I may have to change the Harbor Freight that I do my shopping at, go a little bit further just to have the ability to video record when I want to do a video. So anyway, that's it. We got to do some work on some other videos. As always, a subscribe, a like, share, comment be greatly appreciated as I try and grow my small woodworking channel. Feel free to throw in the comments if you've had any negative experiences at Harbor Freight, or if you've had great experiences. Let me know that also. Maybe get a little poll going down below of who's had great experiences and who has not. Let me know. And as always, take care.